Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make a Trello board public. This is a really useful feature if you're collaborating with a large group, sharing progress with clients, or simply want to make your work more accessible to others. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to switch your Trello board visibility so it's open for anyone to view. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the Trello homepage. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard, which displays all of your workspaces and boards. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a list of your workspaces. Think of a workspace as the hub where all your related boards live. Find the workspace that contains the board you want to make public. Next to it, you'll notice a small downward arrow. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. The Settings page is where you manage different aspects of your workspace, things like permissions, members, and most importantly for today, visibility. Scroll until you find the section labeled Workspace Visibility. Here you'll see options like Private or Workspace Members. To change this, click on the small change link next to the current setting. Once you click Change, you'll be presented with three options: Private, Workspace Visible, and Public. Choosing Private means only you and invited members can see the board. Selecting Workspace Visible means that everyone in your workspace has access. And finally, selecting Public makes your board visible to anyone who has the link, even if they're outside your team. For this tutorial, go ahead and select Public. This will immediately expand your board's visibility, allowing clients, collaborators, or stakeholders to access it without needing to log in or request permission. Here's an important reminder. When you make a Trello board public, it means anyone on the internet could potentially view it. So be careful not to include sensitive or confidential information. If you're confident your board is safe to share, click Confirm to finalize the change. And just like that, your Trello board is now public. This setting is perfect for open projects, shared resources, or collaborative efforts where accessibility is key. Of course, if you change your mind later, you can always go back into settings and switch the visibility back to private. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you learn how to make your Trello board public step by step. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials on Trello and other productivity tools.